We've all been there. It's 2 a.m., all you need is some air, the window's open, and your blinds won't stop banging. We're 3D printing rockets, and you telling me there's no solution to having your blinds closed and your windows open? Well, now there's a quick and easy solution. 3D printed, zero waste. No mass production, no shipping from overseas, a smaller carbon footprint that's better for our planet. Made in the USA. Meet the Blind Silencer Clip, the simple solution to noisy blinds. Just clip it on, no tools, no assembly required. It keeps your blinds perfectly positioned away from the window, completely silent, even in a storm. Our one-piece design is ready to use right out of the box. Each pack includes 6 pairs, enough for 3 windows. The clips are made from a flexible plastic and act like springs to absorb the sound. Finally, peaceful, quiet nights. The clips come in black, white, clear, or if you need a specific color, send us a message and we can custom make them for you. Order your Blind Silencer clips today and get a great night's sleep.